Next trip to bull run will start in Asia. I mean, just look at all of these titles. Investor sees Japanese equities shining brighter on attractive valuations. Bitcoin trading in Japan rises as yen turns volatile in Japan to lift the ban on foreign stable coins like USDT in 2023. Similarly as Dell Crypto features here, the Japan state head is establishing a climate for crypto and figures it can change the web. Moreover, Singapore High Court has pronounced crypto to be property and reward to begin full administrations on another Japan stage in August. We are at a basic direct for Jasmy right now due toward every one of the improvements being made. In Japan, even better, Jasmy is in an excellent situation to light a bullish run as it has as of late been moved from the development zone. So for some origin story on the 10th of May 2023, Barnett recorded every one of the accompanying tasks here and coins into the development zone. Presently justifiably, there was a ton of pessimism. Furthermore, FUD created encompassing this choice. The development zone is where, quote, no center tasks are put in. Subsequently they are in danger from being delisted from Binance. Presently there have been two updates. The first is somewhat minor as now every one of the undertakings that were beforehand in the development zone are currently in the checking zone, which actually is precisely the same thing. That is what a distinctively to prevent the pessimism. The subsequent update, notwithstanding, is monstrous for Jasmy, as Jeffrey got added to another zone called the Foundation Zone. Jasmy is the main venture out of this entire rundown that got added to this however, which I accept implies CSI is arranging something exceptionally large very soon. With Jasmy and who might be shocked by one of Japan is around the bend. What's more, for the people who watched my video yesterday on Jasmy, Hold On to himself asserted that he accepts that Japan are driving the way in Web3. To address this somewhat further, the names of a portion of the undertakings and coins are likewise essential for the Foundation Zone are colossal. You have Steel, Quant and many, some more. Jasmy has demonstrated unequivocally that it is a long way from a no advancement project. As far as one might be concerned, Jasmy is an endeavor organization of Sony, which is tremendous. This implies that Sony is supporting Jasmy development, which again is an astonishing when you find opportunity to think about that the originators and heads of Jasmy, or on the other hand recently functioned as the main individuals from Sony. Furthermore, 20,000 blockchain PC orders were gotten in Hong Kong and South Asia. So Jeremy, genuine utilities are popular in Asia. Even better, Jasper's genuine word utilities will be far beyond their blockchain PC as in October 2020. To Harvard to the Jasmy Oceanfroth reference that the Jasmy smartwatches will be created with accomplices. So Jasmy will likewise foster a protected savvy now as of late as we can see here. Jasmy Accomplice Books declared the improvement of a smartwatch for the older in the US market utilizing edge computer-based intelligence. As we definitely realize just we have been promoting as of late with the US and just we are additionally zeroing intense simulated intelligence. In some cases we need to follow the hints, the sign being, just we are as of now during the time spent getting a solid smartwatch worked in the US market, which ordinarily is impeccably into the following point. Thirdly, Jasmy are additionally centering their market and their deals in different locales, in Japan, yet in addition in the US, the USA and the whole world. The association that Jasmy has as of now are crazy, however the ones that they are making are much more stunning. BJP which is an organization driven by Jasmy leader Committee Masato, will have Japan's monetary pastor and the Minister of Bangladesh as well as others to discuss the financial ties for a prosperous future. Moreover, by another Japan head supervisor to casino beginning around 2016, has upheld key conversations of the administration group at the chief office of PwC Japan. Presently PwC is a consortium individual from NCC, just we declared back in December 2022. As we can see from the hour of this articles, areas of strength for it to NCC's drive to make carbon credits. Furthermore, we vitalize the market some of the time. As I said before, we need to follow the signs. Japan's position on Web3 and crypto is it's holding nothing back. Furthermore, because of all the association just we had with Japan, their monstrous organizations, their administration, the way that Jasmy was the primary outing to ever to pass Japan's guidelines, the way that reward Japan is around the bend, we are at a basic point for Lively where there's a generally excellent potential, an extremely high chance to see simply be soar to the moon not long from now. August could be the greatest month yet for Jasmy. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.